गोवा बोर्डान बुधवारा 10वेचो निकाल जाहीर केलो. निकाल लागलो आनी गोंयभरच्या पालकांचे प्रुडंटाक फोन येवंक सुरू जाले. ते म्हायती वयल्यान SSCक बरेपैकी मार्क घेतिल्ल्या 3 स्टार भुरग्यांची नांवां आयल्यात ती अशी: पणजे डॉन बॉस्कोचो एंड्रू डिसूजा 96.8%, मडगांवां महिला नुतनाचे रचना कामत 96.1%, फोंड्या अल्मेदाचो अमेय तिळगुळ 96%.
I believe that only through hard work and perseverance have I achieved such success, and I would say it is important to enjoy academics as well as co-curricular activities in school. I would like to sincerely thank my parents, sister, family and friends, as well as my principal and teachers at Don Bosco High School, Panjim, for all their encouragement and support throughout the year.
Myself, Rachna Kamat. I'm very happy after getting this achievement, which was my target for 1 year. And I used to study for 6 to 8 hours a day. And for this achievement, I'm crediting my parents, my brother, and even my teachers, and even headmistress, who had taught us very well. And my future is thinking of having future as a medical. I want to become a doctor.
There is no formula for success, no special formula for success. We have to practice every day. Whatever is given in school, we should come home and practice it. We should complete our work regularly and keep everything up to date and complete everything on time. That's the only formula to get this success. And this I have been practicing for the last year, for the whole of last year, and so I have achieved this success. For achieving this success, I had a great help from my parents, all the teachers and the head of my institution, as well as all my tuition teachers who constantly supported me and guided me. They also motivated me to pursue this and at last achieve this success. So I thank them all.
Supplementary exam 15 Junang.
Now number of students passed 17,886, exempted 256, pass percentage of whole, that means the students those who appeared by taking all the subjects, is 91.27 and exempted is 39.8%. So this year's result is 91.27%. Passing percentage of boys is 88.69, girls, and the percentage is 90.49. 78 schools secured 100% result. Special schools securing 100% result. 100% result. Sanjay Center for Special Education for Worry. Percentage of candidates passing the examination with the help of sports merit marks 4.4%.
एकूण 78 स्कुलांचो 100% रिझल्ट लागला. बांबोळे कुजिराच्या हेडगेवार स्कुलान सेगीत 12वे वर्सा 100% रिझल्ट लावपाचो आपलो रेकॉर्ड चालूच दवरलो. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडेंट.